Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are about the best injection for weight loss. When it comes to injections for weight loss, there is no one-size-fits-all solution that is considered the best. The most effective injection for weight loss will vary from person to person, depending on their individual circumstances and needs. However, some commonly used injections for weight loss include medications that affect appetite or metabolism, such as liraglutide, Saxenda, naltrexone, bupropion, Contrave, and phentermine topiramate, Qsymia. These medications can help individuals to eat less and feel full faster, thereby promoting weight loss. It's important to note that these injections are only effective when used in combination with a healthy diet and exercise program. They should only be used under the guidance and supervision of a medical professional. It's also important to remember that weight loss injections are not a magic solution, and sustained weight loss typically requires making changes to your lifestyle and habits. The best approach to weight loss is to focus on making sustainable, healthy changes to your diet and physical activity levels, and to work with a healthcare professional to determine if any additional treatments, such as weight loss injections, may be appropriate for you. Subscribe to watch more interesting and informative video.